I had spent time in the fine dining scene in Toronto and had moved out of the city to start to have a family and work on that work-life balance. Even though I had a convenience job that provided me the stable hours, there was still that component of heartfelt cooking that was missed. Here at St. Anne's, I was able to find that source of inspiration to return to that real enjoyment of cooking. We've got a new kitchen, we've got a new dining room.
It's great to be able to finally work in a space that reflects the food that has been cooked at St. Anne's for such a long time.
Enlightenment has always been a source of inspiration for both not only the menus, but the work environment in general.
It's based on health and wellness, as well as being able to highlight these ingredients that we have in the best possible way. We do provide lots of options for vegans and vegetarians. Most of our dishes can be modified to be dairy-free or gluten-free entirely.
And we are able to accommodate that because we know where all our products come from. The grass-fed beef that's raised on the property is unique.
In the summer, our gardeners bring the ingredients to us and then we can use them for our features.
And we do encourage our cooks to come down and we do harvest herbs, garnish, whatever is needed, but it is a symbiotic relationship in terms of the gardeners will bring up what's ready at the peak of freshness and quality. One of the other products that we will pull from the garden ourselves are the edible flowers. My favorites are the snapdragons, and they will go into salads and garnishes on our plates.
For the all-inclusive, you get your full breakfast, lunch, afternoon tea, and dinner, and choose from many different menu options for all those meals. Anyone staying in our cottages and groups, they can have the private chef experience and have one of our cooks cook for them in the privacy of their cottage.
Whether it's for our guests and their massage therapy or their experience in the dining room, everybody wants to contribute to the idea of mindfulness and repose for our guests.